How to create your first aesthetic video edit on Filto. First of all, open the Filto app and tap the plus button to start a new project. Choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. Next, select an aspect ratio that fits your platform, such as 9:16 for stories or reels. This helps your video look perfect when you share it. Now tap on the filter section and browse through the various aesthetic filters available. Try filters like vintage, portrait or minimal to give your video that stylish look. Adjust the filter intensity to make it subtle or bold according to your taste. After that, go to the Effects tab to add creative elements such as light, glitch or retro. These effects enhance the mood and make your video more visually appealing. You can also add music and add text or captions to personalize your video. Finally, preview your edit to make sure everything looks great. When you are satisfied, tap Save to export your video in high quality. Now you know how to create your first aesthetic video edit on Filto. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.